Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm going to share with you another unboxing video. And this time it's mystery box from Michael's store. I'm pretty excited to see what's inside, especially since Easter coming up. If you're into these mystery boxes from Michael's, stick around. And if you are new here, welcome. Check out my YouTube channel. I have separate playlist with another unboxing videos. So let's start it. Here is my partner in crime, my son Alex. He helps me open the box. As I expected, the box was full of Easter goods. Now let's look closer what was inside. I will quickly show all things. And at the end of the video, we will count how much this box cost at full retail price and how much we potentially won by purchasing all this stuff for $10. I divided my box into two parts. The first is the Easter decor. I was absolutely happy. I immediately create ideas where I can use it in my future craft projects. This is why I love Michael's mystery boxes. First of all, it's of course fun and also great opportunity to buy affordable craft supplies. For example, look at this absolutely adorable Easter cake boards. I don't think I would specifically buy them, but I will definitely use them when I need to make the homemade cake. Now let's talk about the second part of the box, where I put the children's crafting kits. They are a great gift for my nephews for next year. Some of them with LED lighting, which is so cool. Just look at this adorable wood basket, which is retail price $10. Definitely, it's my first Michael's box that's so rich in product for kids. I remember how my younger son Alex loved to play with these melty beads. And here is the only one non-Easter product into my box. Now let's make a math. Just like my previous Michael's unboxing videos, I calculated the total cost of all the goods that were in the box. Then I imagine if we bought all these things with a 50% discount, they would still cost almost $100. And if it was 75% discount, it is still more than $10 that I spent. Write me in the comments, have you ever bought Michael's mystery boxes? Did you like it? Did you create something with your craft stuff? Or they still waiting for their right time? Thank you for watching and happy crafting!